The original vision for Pixel Plaza was actually born out of this bigger idea that was called the City of Play.
Ultimately, the idea of the City of Play was a way to take the smart city data out of the server room and allow people to play with it, show them what it means, give them a place to congregate and make them feel proud of their city, see a physical change in the city happening around them.
So the main component of this installation are obviously the displays, which shows the LED panels. They're much brighter than traditional TVs. They allow us to create these totems in a unique form factor. There's a 5G connection, there's a millimeter wave, and then there's the fiber connection, all provided by Bolden Networks.
The idea that it could be a conversation where we'd vibe, where we'd work all of this through, that you'd really done not just the homework about the city, but also about our residents, you know, and how to make this project real, but also fully accessible to our residents, and it felt great like that.
The biggest technical challenge was the fact that this is all bespoke and has never been built in this format before. Each of these casings, each of the LED setups, the panels, the speakers, the ultrasonic sensors, tying all of that together physically was quite a challenge.
So the first experience that we launched was for Women's Rugby World Cup opening.
The AI Rugby portrait generator allows people to scan a QR code on any of the totems, upload their face, and then that face is composited onto a manga-style and anime-style rugby player in a dynamic position.
Feedback that we got on the rugby was like phenomenal.
At its peak, we had 5 people a minute interacting with this. What was more amazing was seeing the joy that it brought to people and rugby fans together in this space, all interacting, all taking photos by their portraits.
I think it just created a flawless experience for everybody. It was something brand new for people to experience, to engage with, really was interactive.
We have permanent content, which is playing 24 hours a day, even when there's not events. And we have smart city data coming in from things such as the wave height, the wind speed, the air quality, which is a tie into Sunderland's legacy of the sea and mining. Additionally, we have one which is linked to the people of the town. So we take smart city data, which is from the footfall in the town centre, from the traffic, Wi-Fi connections, and then that alters and drives the visuals for that piece of permanent content.
The perspective of like what is possible, you know, it's always felt in working with you guys, the art of the possible. Let's work this through. That creative kind of conversation has been, I think, something that we saw right at the beginning in a spark and then has only been realised.